A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today, may I read from the book we name Acts, chapter 12, from verse 1 to verse 19. Around them time there, King Herod gave order for arrest some of the church people them. Him do that because him did plan to make them suffer hard. He make them kill James, John brother, with one sword. When he say, what him did do to James, make the Jew them happy, him get order for arrest Peter too. This happened when the Passover holiday did go on. After Herod making soldier them arrest Peter, him put him in a prison. Him put 4 groups of soldiers to guard him, and each group did have 4 soldiers. Herod did plan for judge Peter in front of everybody when the Passover holiday done. So then keep Peter locked up in a prison. But the church people them did a pray to God with all of them heart feel. But the same night then, the night before Herod did plan for judge Peter in front of everybody, Peter did a sleep between 2 soldiers. Them did tie him up with 2 chains, and them did have 2 soldiers in front of the door and guard the prison. All of a sudden, one of the Lord angel them turn up in front of Peter. And one bright light shine in the prison. He lick Peter in the side and wake him up. He say, get up, quick. Same time the chain drop off of Peter and the angel said to Peter, say, buckle your belt and put on your slippers. So Peter do that. Then the angel said to him, say, put on your long jacket and follow me. Peter followed the angel out of the prison, but he never thinks what the angel did that do. Did really happen. Him did think say a vision. After the 2 of them passed the first and the second guard, they reached the iron gate where lead in the city. The gate opened itself for them, and them go through the gate and walk down one narrow street. All of a sudden, the angel disappeared and left Peter. At that time there, Peter come to himself and said, no, me know for real. Said the Lord send the angel and free me from Herod and they sit them where the Jew them they think Herod did what do to me. When Peter see what really happened, him go and Mary house that a John man mother. Enough people did gather up and did a pray. When he knock at the gate, one slave girl named Rhoda go to him. When she hear the voice and find out say I did Peter, the way how she did so happy, she run back in at the house and open the gates. She tell everybody say Peter out the door. But they say to her, say, your head take you. But she keep on tell them say him out there for real. And them keep on say to her, say, I must see angel. All the time the Peter did still at the gate and knock. When they open the door and see him, they did well shock. So Peter make one sign with him and I say, shh, tap on the eyes. Then he tell them, oh, the Lord God sent one angel and free him out of prison. Him say, tell James and the other brother there, but what? After that, he left and go to another place. When daylight, the soldier them did afraid and well confused because none of them couldn't tell what happened to Peter. After Herod searched for Peter and couldn't find him, he questioned the guard them and gave order to take them and kill them. A God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.